Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa says the Senate will launch its own investigation into the war on drugs and will invite former President Rodrigo Duterte as resource person. At naniniwala siya mas malaki po yung possibility na dumalo si former President sa ilo-launch nilang Senate investigation. Or comment on this po.
Very good. In fact, sabi ng Bible, 2 is better than 1. Oo. May partner na kami sa Senado when it comes to investigation.
How about yung possibility na humarap mismo si former president sa kanila and yet dito sa atin po sa Quadcom? It seems like, yun po, although nagbigay na po ng statement si former president na willing siya na umatin, pero mas malaki yung possibility sa Senate siya humarap.
Well, it might be. It's up to him actually. Although he in-indicate na niya na haharap siya if he's invited. No? So, sa amin okay na okay yun eh. Hopefully, he will come and clear the air and say what he would like to say.
You mentioned earlier, Kong, na next hearing, EJK ulit yung topic. Are we not going to formally invite the former president to finally face the Quadcom amidst these allegations against the war on drugs?
We will still talk about if we are going to have the EJK or the POGO or the drugs about it. But definitely we're going to invite the president. I do not know when, no? Sa akin, if we're going to invite the former president, hindi muna namin iimbitahin ng maraming mga iniimbita namin, no? So that he could be able to freely say his speech. Mahirap naman kung napakaraming iimbitahan namin and then maghihintay siya na matagal. We do not want that to happen.
Sorry sir, pero hindi ho ba maaapektuhan yung pong inyong investigation na ginagawa kung sa Senate siya unang humarap dahil naka-8 public hearing na po yung Quadcom and palagi pong nadadrag yung pong si former President Duterte?
Hindi naman siguro sapagkat malalaman naman namin kung ano nga sabihin niya sa Senado. Whatever he will say, no, babantay namin maigi yan eh.
I asked Secretary Panelo yesterday about po yung plano ng Quadcom to investigate the possible use of Intel fund to fund the reward system.
Yes.
In killing drug suspects. Ang sabi niya, one cannot launch a successful war on drugs without effective legal strategy, which necessarily will involve funding from the government. Police operations must be sufficiently financed for effective enforcement of the laws against drug trafficking. But he did not mention flat out na we did not use the Intel Fund. Wala siyang ganong statement na categorical. Do you think, how do you find that statement? Is that statement, lack of categorical statement, just confirms what the others have testified po sa Quadcom?
Yeah, I respect his own legal opinion on that. No? Marami naman siguro mga legal opinions ang iba't ibang mga abogado. No? That is own legal opinion.
Sir, sorry. Follow-up lang po dun sa question about Bato. Maglo-launch sila ng sarili nilang investigation po and i-invite si PRRD. Tingin niyo po ba magiging fair si Senator Bato dun po sa magiging pagdinig ng Senado, lalo na siya mismo po yung nadidiin sa issue ng war on drugs?
Hindi.
Paano niyo pa nasabi, sir?
Well, you know, the thing is, he became the Director General of the Philippine National Police during the time of the former president. No? But just imagine, he was only a Brigadier General, all of a sudden, nagdagdagan siya ng star, no? Naging Major General siya and naging Director General. So I would think that he would be more biased than actually balanced in that hearing, no?
Good morning po, sir. Sir, how about po yung mga narco generals? Are you going to invite them? Wala po kasing na-file na case at wala din pong nailutang na evidence. Nabrand po sila dahil close sila sa isang presidential candidate kay former DILG Secretary Marojas na identified doon sa Novotel. Sinabi na pong narco generals agad.
Pag amin na pong iimbisigahan ng drugs, dangerous drugs, palagay ko we will now be able to know and invite who the narco generals are. At this point in time, hindi pa masyado naming pinag-uukulan ng pansin yan.
Good morning, Kong.
Yes.
Right here. Sir, so are you seeing conflict of interest sa investigasyon ng Senado or their planned investigation dito sa war on drugs?
I really do not know if most of the senators would agree to it. No? Sinabi lang yan ng isang senador eh. So, there might be, but we do not know. No? We still have to wait until such time that it will happen.
Pero kung when it comes dun sa reward system, ano kaya ang nagagamit na pera doon? Intelligence fund, Pogo money, STL?
Sinabi ko na a possibility na lahat nagagamit yan eh. Oo. STL, Pogo fund, nagagamit din yan eh. Kasi pag operational expenses yan, pwede mo gamitin yung confidential fund yan eh. Oo, nakalagat talaga dyan. We just would like to find out magkano ba ang nagamit yan, saan ginamit yan.
Hi sir, Mela from PTV po. Sir, yung dalawang bills na final ng Quad Committee Chairman, kailan po kaya masusunod? Kasi nababanggit nyo sa mga pagdinig, marami kayong inaay na panukalang batas na ihain mula dun sa mga natutuklasan nyo sa mga pagdinig. Kailan po kaya yung susunod na magiging paghain ng mga panukala ng Quadcom? At ano-ano yung mga susunod pang panukala na ihahain pa natin mula dun sa mga naungkat natin sa investigasyon?
Pinag-aaral na namin yung pangatlong batas on the espionage bill. Oo, sapagkat medyo malabo yung batas natin ngayon tungkol dyan. No? So pinag-aaralan po namin kung ano ang may dadagdag namin or we could be able to amend the espionage law right now. So I think there's about mga 15 na mga draft bills na ipa-file namin, including the death penalty bill on heinous crimes. Maraming salamat po sa mga taga-suporta ng Quadcom at makakaasa po kayo. We'll do everything we can for our own country para po sa ating bayan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Kung yung sinasabi na pabubuksan daw yung mga cold cases, mga cold cases po yung sa mga dating mayor, mga 14 na po yun, ano po ang reaksyon ng Quadcom doon?
Nabuksan na po namin yung Mayor Relili, no? Sapagkat binanggit ni Colonel Garma at ngayon nga iimbestigahan na uli, no? The thing is, kung ang NBI and the Philippine Nation is now opening the cases na noong araw hindi napansin because of the Quadcom hearings, baka meron pa kaming bubuksan na ilang mga nangyari mga injustices na dapat malaman ng taong bayan at dapat buksan uli. Oo, sapagkat ito hindi na napag-usapan, no? We would like all of those cases that we feel are injustices, we feel na hindi nagkaroon ng due process, na mabuksan uli po ito at imbestigahan.